In this quick video, I'll show you how to screen record on laptop Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So Windows have a inbuilt screen recording feature. So to access it, we just need to search here snipping tool. I can search here snipping tool and then open it. Now you can see by default it will be set on camera. You can say that it will take screenshot of your screen, but many people don't know that it can also record your screen. So for that we just need to go to this option which is camera icon and then click on new to record our screen. Then this is how it will look. We just need to select the portion which we want to record. I want to record my whole screen, so for that I will drag it from top and leave it at the end. Now you can see I have selected the portion. Now there are some options. We can click on start to start our recording, and here is an mic option which can be mute by ourselves, or we can simply choose our microphone from here. We can also mute or unmute our system audio. I want to start my recording, so for that I can click on start. Then it will show you a timer of 3, and after that you can see my recording has been started. I can pause my recording from here. Also we can stop our recording, and you can see this is the duration of our recording. As well we can simply choose our microphone, desktop audio, and we can also delete our or discard our recording from here. So to save it, we just need to click on stop recording, and now you can see my recording has been stopped, and I can preview my recording from here. I can play it. Also we can edit in Clipchamp, which is Microsoft software. Also we can save our recording in our PC. For that we can click on this icon which is save as icon. I can click on it or hit Ctrl S on your keyboard. After that it will ask your location where you want to save your recording. I want to save it in my downloads folder. Then click on save. Now you can see my recording has been saved in my download folder. I will show you in a bit. You can see this is my recording. It also have audio. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.